prinsipyo may isang salita. Kaibigan ko, siya si Inday Sara Duterte. Let's go! Bagong Pilipinas, bagong muka. May prinsipyo, may isang salita. Kaibigan ko, siya si Bongbong Marcos. Bongbong Marcos.
Sis, have you heard the news that our president and vice president are not in good terms?
Hi, right. What should we do as a citizen in this country and to our community? I bet there's a lot of drugs selling around our town.
Wait, what? A drugs?
Yes, a drug that can ruin our lives.
We need somebody who can love us at our worst. And taking drugs are not part of our better choice. Cause it's our dream and our future should put first. From drug addiction, what would you like to work?
We should stop taking drugs.
Yes, I agree.
And that song was brought to you by Department of Health. Laban kontra droga. Stay tuned as a group 3 take a break. Tahan na.
Mom, I'm hungry. I want to eat.
Mom, Jacob is crying.
Anak, I'm sorry. Our money is not enough for our food. Your baby bunso needs milk. Justin is sick. Anna needs money for her tuition. And your father's salary is not enough. God, what should I do?
Family planning is important, pathway to happiness.
Your family?
Your choice.
This is the Group 3, a friendly reminder. One size doesn't fit all.
And your family is called.